Alright, bro. Let's do it. I'm not playing anymore. Oh! Bruh. That's the beast I think. You don't like that. Look at that, Glenn. Jesus Christ.
If you looked like this, if I married you, I would make that a little bit longer.
Why I'm lagging hard right now. I'm sorry again. I'm lagging. Bruh, I just did a 90 like that. Am I a brigger? No, it's me. I don't know if I'm gonna get anything. Underneath this, bro. Underneath this.
So I borrowed a pair of shoes.
What happened? Jesus Christ. Hold up.
48 minutes, not bad.
Hold up, guys.
You're a jammy son, Frank. Don't mention it.
Oh, thank you.
My client?
What the heck, bro?
I owe you. Invoices in the post.
I'm back.
We made a good team.
Dude, okay. I just don't like playing with cords. I'm just recording. I'm just,
Oh, I want you to take a shower tonight.
Alright.
And you're not going to stay up late because you got to.
I'm going, you say?
Yeah, you go with the moon.
Oh, no. Oh! Alright. It's like the worst computer to play. You! Jesus Christ! Go on. Thanks. What's in here? Minis? Here's one. What is that? A pump? I don't know what that is. Those are minis. That is just minis, bro. Bruh. I'll just end this one right here. Bye, guys.